We are one team. Office professionals, sales experts, foremen, electricians, plumbers, and operations staff. We're not just part of an industry, we're the ones redefining it. Every day, with integrity and tenacity, we push boundaries. Through long hours, hard work, and endless road trips, we go above and beyond to give our customers a remarkable experience. From hiring and onboarding the best talent, to the strategies and ideas generated to educate our customers, to the welcoming voices that make the first impression, to the problem solvers who find a solution for every unique home. To the coordinators who ensure each project is on track, and those who ensure our offices, trucks, and equipment stay ready to roll. To the crews who make every customer's dream a reality. To those who maintain our laptops and complete invoicing to finish out the job. And those who ensure our systems stay well maintained. Together, we transform our customers' lives across Michigan and northern Indiana. We make an impact that lasts a lifetime. Together, we redefine.